I said before during the panel, if you have read the abstract of my talk, I must say that I have changed it slightly. I wrote the abstract like several months ago, and things evolve quite fast. So I decided to give an updated talk. Usually, I like starting my presentations with these, and my talks with these quotes. So basically, in 2011, there was Andersen Horowitz who said that software was eating the world. It was starting to eat the world. And then the CEO of NVIDIA in 2017 re-quote that quote and said, like, yeah, software is eating the world, but AI is going to eat software. Now, we could say that that is already happening. That is not anymore a prediction, right? So in this new phase that we're entering, we have to wonder ourselves whether code or models are no longer at the core of software engineering. Are they not? So I would like to start maybe with a little bit of history and say that we have seen how software development has been evolving for decades. At the beginning, we were using cards, right, like punch cards. Then we moved to assembly, then C appeared, then Java and all the object orientation. Then we moved to frameworks to ease the development of software. Then we saw how the cloud appeared, and then serverless applications. So this was like continuous changes. And each time there was a change, we could hear some people say, oh, this is going to kill engineers. Engineers are not going to be needed anymore. It didn't happen, right? In the end, they just changed what they did. But indeed, every time we need more and more engineers. So this is also a reminder of the fear of the Industrial Revolution, right? So there was this anxiety saying that new machinery were going to destroy jobs, that it was going to reduce skilled artisans to unskilled laborers, and that it was going to dehumanize work. In the end, it wasn't that bad, right? So we just have to be aware that we're facing another revolution. So what is it that is happening currently? So it's not only AI, right? We see an explosion of software as a service. So now we don't own software anymore. We pay licenses to be able to use that software. So that's already a big change with respect to several years ago. We see developer shortages. I don't know how it is in your areas or in your cities or in your countries, but in most places this is